Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name. I work in healthcare, and in my free time, I'm passionate about fitness, nutrition, and helping people live healthier, more energetic lives. Today's topic is one that surprises almost everyone the first time they hear it. When you lose fat, where does it actually go? Most of us just say it burns off. But have you ever wondered, burns into what? Does it melt away? Turn into muscle? Disappear into sweat? Let's uncover what really happens and how you can use that knowledge to make your diet more effective and sustainable. The surprising truth: fat leaves through your breath. Here's the amazing science behind it. When you lose fat, about 84% of it leaves your body through your breath. Yes, you're literally breathing it out. That's because fat is made up of three elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. When your body breaks down fat for energy, it combines these atoms with oxygen from the air you breathe, creating carbon dioxide and water. So when we say burning fat, it's not a metaphor, it's chemistry. You're breathing out the carbon dioxide and excreting the water through sweat, urine, and even a tiny bit through your skin. If you break down 1 kilogram of fat, about 840 grams leave your body as carbon dioxide, and the other 160 grams leave as water. That means most of your fat loss literally goes out through your lungs. Every time you exhale, you're releasing a bit of stored energy back into the world. Step 1: move, but don't hold your breath. So, if breathing is how we lose fat, the next question is, how can we breathe better to burn more? You don't need extreme workouts or endless running. What matters is steady movement with rhythmic breathing. Think of activities that let you breathe naturally: walking, yoga, swimming, stretching, cycling, even dancing in your living room. When I first got into fitness, I thought I had to run fast or sweat buckets to see results. But I quickly burned out. My knees hurt, I felt exhausted, and I wasn't enjoying any of it. Then I learned about controlled breathing. For example, when walking, try this rhythm: inhale for 3 steps, exhale for 3 steps. It sounds simple, but it turns a normal walk into a mini fat-burning session. Your heart rate rises gently, oxygen flows smoothly, and your body keeps using stored fat as fuel. You'll notice that after 15-20 minutes, your body feels warmer, lighter, and more relaxed. And one more thing: your posture matters. When you slouch, your lungs can't fully expand. Less oxygen and means less fat burning. So keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, and your chest open. This alone increases your oxygen intake and helps you burn fat more efficiently, even during daily life: commuting, cleaning, grocery shopping. If you move with good posture and breathe deeply, you're burning more than you think. Step 2: support your metabolism with smart nutrition. Now, let's talk about food, because breathing alone isn't the full picture. Your body needs the right fuel to keep the fat-burning process going. When people start dieting, they often cut calories too drastically. But here's the truth: your body needs energy to break down fat. In the morning, give yourself a strong start. Include protein: eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, or a protein smoothie. Protein activates your metabolism and keeps you full longer. At lunch, don't skip carbs entirely. Carbohydrates give your brain the glucose it needs to function. Without them, you'll feel sluggish and crave sweets later. Go for whole grains, brown rice, or oats instead of refined carbs. Dinner should be lighter soups, steamed veggies, fish, or lean chicken, and ideally finish eating about 3 hours before bed. That timing helps your body focus on repair and fat breakdown while you sleep. And we can't forget hydration. Water is the final highway out of your body. It carries away the water molecules that fat turns into. If you don't drink enough, your system can't flush out what it breaks down. Aim for 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily. Personally, I prefer warm water or herbal tea. It feels calming and supports digestion. Think of water as your natural fat transport system. It helps every cell in your body do its job better. Step 3. Sleep, your silent fat burning time. This one surprises people the most. Even while you sleep, your body continues to burn fat. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which helps repair muscles and triggers fat breakdown. That's why chronic sleep deprivation slows weight loss and increases hunger. When I was working night shifts at the hospital, my sleep was a mess. Even though my diet was clean, I noticed my weight plateaued, my metabolism had clearly dropped. Later, I made a small change, just 30 more minutes of sleep per night. Within a week, my body felt more balanced. My energy improved, and my recovery after workouts was faster. Now, I try to have a calming routine before bed. I stretch, dim the lights, and take 5 deep breaths before sleeping. It's amazing how much this simple habit improves fat loss and overall well-being. So if you're serious about results, don't underestimate the power of rest. Step 4. Keep your motivation alive. Let's talk mindset. One reason many diets fail is that we expect fast, dramatic changes. But real fat loss, the kind that stays off, happens gradually. The breathing-based approach is about consistency, not speed. You won't see massive drops overnight, but after 1 or 2 weeks, you'll start noticing subtle changes. Your breathing feels easier, your clothes fit differently, your energy is more stable. Celebrate those small wins, they're signs your metabolism is shifting. When I started focusing on breathing, posture, and better sleep, I lost 2 kilograms in 3 months. Not huge, but my waist shrank by 5 centimeters. And more importantly, I felt better. I wasn't constantly hungry. My mood improved, and workouts became enjoyable again. That's when I realized sustainable fat loss isn't punishment, it's partnership with your body. Let's recap. So, where does fat actually go? Here's the breakdown. About 84% leaves through your breath. Around 16% leaves through urine, sweat, and stool. Fat doesn't melt, it transforms and exits your body naturally. That's why breathing, hydration, posture, and sleep are the real foundation of a healthy metabolism. If you can make these small habits part of your daily life, move with intention, eat mindfully, sleep deeply, and breathe consciously, your body will start doing the rest automatically. Every breath you take is part of your fat burning process. Even now, as you're watching this, you're breathing out a tiny bit of stored energy. So take a deep breath, you're already doing something amazing for your body. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based fitness and wellness content. I share tips from both my work in healthcare and my experience as a fitness enthusiast and personal trainer to help you reach your healthiest self without extreme diets or stress. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next deep breath is one step closer to your goal. See you in the next video.